there, boo. Channel, forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leaving, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey boys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, today I will be doing another hair video. I will be installing a 12-inch lace frontal 13 by 4 whatever wig. Yes, so before I install it, I'm gonna wash it. I don't know if I should like dye it. Let me see. You know, because of the color, it's not really blended out. It's like, let me get in the light. Sorry about the noise in the background. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna wash it because I'm not spoiling thing right now. Yeah, so just wash it and install it later on.
I'm just washing the hair with a little shampoo and conditioner. I'm using my honey, shea butter and coconut oil shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, and I love the slow motion effects on my phone. Look at that. The hair is so silky, guys. Even after I wash the hair, it's still soft and smooth. I love it. If you wish to get the same hair or more, you can check out TFA Trendy Pics. They not only sell hair but watches, clothing, accessories and more. So just go over there and give them a support. Tell them that the Kibu sent you. Yeah, they're very affordable. I've been wanting a bob wig for a long time and I didn't buy it because of the prices, but when I see TFA Trendy Pics, I was like, wow, oh my god. So right now I just washed my hair and I'm doing a length check. Yeah, I use wild gold oil, as y'all should know, and it has been working for my hair. I'm so happy that I decided to try it because at least something works and no dandruffs, you know? Yeah. So my hair will be under the wig for at least 2 weeks. So I have to make sure it's moisturized. So I'm using my shea butter, Ashanti Natural 100% shea butter in my hair to, you know, just give it that softness and moisture that it needs. Right now I'm eating my ice cream. Yeah, a little break because I put my hot comb to heat so that I can straighten the wig a bit before I start the installation.
Receives a solder from the GCF. However, uncertainty lingers around how long this will continue. He was told that from first we have to leave soon.
Finally, I use them something there.
I always use it.
My girl is tucky in your belly.
Why?
Comes up.
What?
Tucky in your belly. You know that look nicer if you tucky in your belly. Too damn big for your girl. You need to get me could buy two of them wrapping something there. It work.
You need to buy some plastic wrap can use?
You know, use them.
The one you use in the kitchen.
Burn the skin, it irritate my skin. That's why I tell you I don't use it.
But my belly is not big.
You know, so some of the material them, that's why it's not all of the waist trimmers them I wear.
Why?
Some of the material irritate my skin and break it out in a cut.
Yeah, so usually I cut this. I'm not gonna cut it this time, just gonna let it stay like this. Reason why I always damage my hair when I do this is because my hairline is too far down. I have hairline like, you know, right on my forehead. I'm a forehead big, so something gotta be there for it. My eyes running water, guys. I'm now using my blow dryer so that the Got2b glue spray can be dried. Now I'm spraying a little bit more. Yes, because we want the firm hold. Oh, am I feeling like a monkey? Let's blow dry again. Right now I'm tinting it with a concealer that matches my skin tone. I'm going to tint the parting because it's a center part. I'm tinting just the center of the stocking cap. Yeah, this is the wig. Tinting also the lace on the wig. Yes, because not only tinting the stocking cap, we have to tint the lace so that it can actually blend out. I've tried this method before and I realized it worked, and I'm trying it again. That glue I'm using is Good Grip glue, and when I tell you say grip, girl, it really grip the ear. Yes, it does. Yeah, so I should apply 4 layers, dry it out, it should be clear like that. Then I apply some more and continue the process 4 times until it's dried. Then I start installing. So you will see me just doing it over and over again so that I can get the results that I need. What I love about this wig is this band that it comes with. It helps to hold the hair together on my head. Knowing that I have no hair on my head, it really does something. I don't know why my face look like that right now, but I was just too nervous. Like, I always mess up this part, and well, I think I did good. Look at my eyes. I'm like, oh my god, what am I doing? Then I'm gonna use my clip to just hold the ear together because we don't want it in our face. We don't want any mistakes when we're cutting the lace, so we'll clip it there. Then I'm gonna use my wig band and put it around the edges. Yes, and that will stay for a bit, like about 5-10 minutes. Yeah, and don't mind the pepper green on my head back. Yeah, it after the day because my head dry. Right through. On my head for like 15 minutes, so I went ahead and I had my plan. What am I saying? I went ahead and get my hot comb heated. Yeah, so that I can like make the part look straighter. Jesus, what do you turn on the hot comb? I don't care. What is this? The hot comb don't plug in. So now, girl, I forgot wait again. Tell about people like me. I'm an able. Just got my makeup first. Yeah, but I want the hot comb to just, you know, lay down the part. So I relocated to the living room because the flat iron cannot stretch that far. Catch this up back. time to cut the worst part of it. Yeah. Usually I will cut it straight across, but I saw this method and I think it works best. Yeah, just cut it in two first and then attempt it row by row. Yeah, so you see me cutting the middle first and then I'm gonna cut the two sides after. Yeah, I like it. It's a good way to cut your lace. I'm gonna make two baby ears right here, so and here. Just two, yeah. Make it close to the top. Cover it around the place now, right? Baby ears. My S-curl styling gel. It's now time for me to go to bed, so I'm just wrapping up the hair using the clip that I used earlier. Then I'm gonna put the wig band over it and a stocking cap. In the morning before I go to work, I'll just flat iron it again and curl it under so that it can look sleek. Bye.